This is Seawolves. Storm? Or not.
Welcome back, Seawolves. Yes, we've returned, recharged, and hopefully re-energized for the last 7 days of the semester. I'm Raina Park, and as you know, this broadcast is a collaboration between students of Stony Brook School of Communications and Journalism and their beloved brothers and sisters at the School of Marine and Atmospheric Sciences. As you can see, we are already getting in the holiday mood for this final full week of classes, and we're all thinking ahead to the end of the semester. Maybe we got a taste of a change in time as we returned to campus yesterday with the unexpected first snow of the season. Our weather photographer, Sam Lankowitz, shot these pictures in Bohemia, and for the first time this year, we got to see the beauty of snowflakes. I've learned from my SOMAS friends that there's more than poetry in snowflakes. The crystallization of these snowflakes indicate the warm temperatures. These are the classic dendrite snowflakes. To find out about today's forecast, let's turn to our field reporting weatherman, Marlon Quinteros.
Thanks, Rena. Well, as you can see right now, it is snowing and raining at the same time. Yet it is so chilly. I should have brought a trench coat with me today. We do have a high of 41 degrees and a low of 27. Well, we'll have partly cloudy skies later in the day, yet winds will be from the northwest at 11 miles per hour. Back to you, Rena.
Thanks, Marlon. Now we know what to wear today, and I'm aware of something not quite as stunning as Sunday's snow, but equally impressive. Both the Stony Brook men's and women's basketball teams pulled off victories this weekend. The women are still undefeated, and the men beat crosstown rival Ivy League powerhouse Yale 85-81. The men are at home this Wednesday at Island Federal Arena at 6:30, and the women's travel to play Fordham Rams this Thursday. But the really big news this weekend is not so uplifting. In fact, it's quite depressing and scary. The World Health Organization has identified a new variant of the COVID virus called the Omicron variant. Omicron is the 15th letter of the Greek alphabet. The WHO says that this variant of concern was first identified from South Africa on November 24th. We're waiting to find out how it reacts to established vaccines and how contagious it is. In the meantime, a number of countries have issued travel restrictions, the strictest of which is Israel, which has banned flights in and out of the country. While we don't know a lot, we do know that Seawolves need to keep up their guard, wear your masks, and think about getting your booster injection. Besides Omicron, let's see if we have to worry about the weather this week. Let's turn to our meteorologist, Skylar Day-Harmon, at the weather screen. Skylar?
Thanks, Raina. I have to say, pretty consistent weather for the first half of the week. Monday, we're looking, as we said, a high of 41, low of 27. Tuesday and Wednesday, very similar, highs in the low to mid 40s, both a low of 36. Now, Thursday disrupts this pattern a bit. 54 degrees on Thursday with a low of 38, the possibility of some rain. Friday, a cold front moves through and drops us back down to that low of 45 degrees. High of 45 degrees, low of 32. Saturday and Sunday, we have the possibility of rain. High 46 degrees on Saturday. Sunday, high 45. Both lows below freezing. Now, Monday, there's the possibility of a rain-snow mix, and that's our last day of the classes of the year. Are we going to have a snow day? I don't think so. Raina, back to you.
Thanks, Skylar. I don't know if I should be praying for snow on our last class next Monday. Maybe we should take a poll. We do spend a lot of time looking up at the sky to see if it's raining, snowing, or thundering. That's because weather affects everyone. But what happens when we look down at the sky to the Earth? America has some amazing space satellites orbiting the Earth, and our science maven, Emily Scott, explains. Emily?
Thanks, Raina. Since 1972, the U.S. government, with the aid of our tax dollars, has been putting high-tech satellites into space to watch the physical Earth. These are different than spy satellites, and the most recent one being sent up is Landsat 9. Recently, NASA released 9 photographs taken by this cutting-edge orbiting piece of technology, and holy moly, look at Australia. These incredible details couldn't have been captured without this new technology. We can see rivers and the rising waters. But let's bring it a little bit closer to home with this snapshot of Lake Erie. It looks a lot different from this angle than I remember as a kid. Let's hope after a flyover of our beloved part of Long Island, we'll be able to see a full picture of what Stony Brook looks like from space. All I can say, Raina, is that this satellite stuff is far out.
Far out indeed. Thanks, Emily. This semester seemed to have gone very quickly. It was hot when we started in August, and now it's cold. But we should feel warm being in this holiday season. Tonight is the second night of Hanukkah, and this Jewish holiday celebrates a victory of an embattled minority who who fought off a dominant majority. Happy Hanukkah to all, and that's all we have for this week. I'm Rena Park. Stay tuned for our last broadcast next week.